General Sanyatwe speaks. Sanyatwe says he is humbled by ED's decision to appoint him sports minister. Sanamina mashoko atunda pangwa ino ma speculation pa social media anotaura pa different versions pamusoro pa General Sanyatwe, but pana patunati panyoko pachinziza now humbled ava humbled decisions yakaitwa ekuappointwa as the sports minister because of the ball got on the PAAKATAIKA. Tipinda pana pamuyanda anombanyora chiti the newly appointed Minister of Sports, retired Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, has said he is humbled by the recognition and trust placed in him by President Mnangagwa. It quotes, "I am humbled by the recognition and trust from His Excellency, the President of Zimbabwe, in appointing me to lead the important ministry," Sanyatwe said. He made these remarks on Thursday morning at State House during his swearing-in ceremony presided over by Mnangagwa. In quotes, "Allow me to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces for appointing me as Minister of Sports. This is indeed a special recognition, and I am truly humbled by the confidence and the trust He has placed in me to lead the ministry," Sanyatwe told journalists. Furthermore, he highlighted the importance of sports ministry in national development. Sports, arts, and recreation and culture are powerful tools for national unity, youth empowerment, and economic growth. As a nation is identified by its culture, and as I take on this new role, I intend to work closely with all stakeholders to develop and promote our national identity, both locally and internationally. As part of his leadership approach, Sanyatwe said he will work with all stakeholders. "We shall move together as a team with a unity of purpose as I take up my new office as a minister." Sanyatwe's retirement from the military has sparked speculation among political analysts who suggest it may be linked to factional tensions within the ruling party ZANU-PF. Reports suggest growing friction between President Mnangagwa and his deputy, VP Chiwenga, over who will lead party and the country in after 2028. Tudze mafuguro eimori kudi pamusoro pechitwa kuchiona General Sanyatwe panguva inoi vachiaccepta kuti aiwa I'm humbled nekuva netrust mutungamiri wenyika yavanayo mandiri kuti lead the Minister of Sports. Tudze mafunguro enyu kunyanya kuma-speculations akazara this issue. Pinda comment section tudze mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.